cop went and got his dog. Trusty, loyal, and terrifying.
Woohoo! Come on, K9. Come back here. Come on, K9. Oh no, K9's been dropped. But I have to keep up the chase. Get back here, you kid.
Man, it's really hot out there. I think I might have to take a rest. What? What, girl? The hustler kids escaped? Oh, I better... Man, I should put off the control. There's one of them. Well, I guess I need to do the other side. A fine-looking tripwire, mate. Go hide until the hustler boys get here.
Where are we? Dad, man it, they got us. We're at the police station. Oh, crap, we're caught.
Oh, that's a case wrapped up. Oh, we finally got the hustler boys.
Yep, we got them just like the video in my armpit.
Get out of here!
Oh, 7? Yes, I won! Bingo! Yeah! Woo!
A fine-looking tripwire, mate.
Watch you, the Great Whiskey Caper. Tale of mobsters, gangsters, and whiskey makers came the second movie, The Full Moonshine. Smuggling, whiskey making, and police. Comes an exciting next tale of Whiskey Caper 3, Life, Liberty, and the Pursuit of Whiskey, coming to a brewery near. It's a great family fun for the whole family.